This isn't just a watch. It's high-performance automotive mechanics built for your wrist. This is the Richard Mille RM030, and it completely rewrites the rules of automatic watchmaking. What makes this historical model legendary? Its groundbreaking Calibre RMAR1 movement. Traditional automatic watches can overwind, creating internal friction, but Richard Mille invented a patented, declutchable, variable geometry rotor. When the watch hits its 50-hour power reserve, the rotor automatically disconnects to protect the mechanism, acting exactly like a high-tech car clutch. But the real showstopper, the skeletonized dial. It treats you to a jaw-dropping view of the gears and springs in motion. Look at 12 o'clock. That's the on-off winding indicator letting you know exactly when the rotor is engaged. Paired with a power reserve gauge at 9 o'clock and oversized racing numerals, it feels pure F1. So, is the declutchable rotor the ultimate mechanical flex? Or do you prefer traditional skeleton watches? Drop your comments below. Like, share, and follow for more peak horology. Because at J.PENDULUM, relationships aren't measured in years, they're measured in generations. See you in the next piece.